Golden Mexican Cocadas. A delicious Mexican dessert recipe. This recipe serves 18 to 20 pieces. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 25 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 4 cups unsweetened shredded coconut, 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, 2 pieces large egg yolks, 1 tablespoon Mexican vanilla extract, a half teaspoon ground Ceylon cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon orange zest, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 20 pieces whole almonds, 1 tablespoon raw honey. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius. Line to large baking sheets with parchment paper or silicone baking mats to ensure the sticky coconut doesn't cling to the pan. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, combine the 4 cups of shredded coconut and the ground cinnamon. Toss them together with your hands or a spatula to ensure the cinnamon is evenly distributed. Step 3. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together the sweetened condensed milk, the 2 egg yolks, the Mexican vanilla extract, and the kosher salt until the mixture is smooth and pale yellow. Step 4. Stir the melted butter and the orange zest into the wet mixture. The fat from the butter helps create a tender crumb and prevents the cocadas from becoming too dry. Step 5. Pour the liquid mixture over the shredded coconut. Using a stiff spatula, fold the ingredients together until every strand of coconut is thoroughly saturated and the mixture is tacky. Step 6. Let the mixture sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the coconut to hydrate slightly, which prevents the sweets from falling apart during the shaping process. Step 7. Using a medium cookie scoop, about 2 tablespoons, or a large spoon, portion out mounds of the mixture onto the prepared baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Step 8. With damp fingers, gently press down on the mounds to form thick discs or slightly pointed pyramids, depending on your aesthetic preference. Dampening your fingers prevents the mixture from sticking to you. Step 9. If using almonds, gently press 1 whole almond into the center of each coconut mound. Step 10. Place the baking sheets in the center of the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Rotate the pans halfway through to ensure even browning. Step 11. The cocadas are finished when the bottoms are deeply golden and the tips of the coconut shreds have turned a beautiful toasted brown. Do not overbake, or they will lose their chewy centers. Step 12. Remove from the oven and, while still warm, lightly brush the tops with a tiny bit of honey for a professional sheen. Let them cool completely on the baking sheet. They will firm up as they cool. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.